Okay. Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a MSI PRO MP243X version 23.8 inch monitor. It should be IPS display and 100 Hz, and this should be the white version. That mean is the V on the end mean the white version. I just gonna open it for you to have a look what is inside and how it looks like. No test, nothing else, just unboxing. This is not for me. I just want to check it if everything is correct, if it's working, and put this present. But yeah, looks very nice. Come on, and open it. Opening side should be easy, just like this. Quick have a look what's inside. Okay, it's nice package. Looks very nice. I prefer if it's the cardboard here and there is nothing else. Put on the table and just put down from the table. Just take it off. Again, one hand man on the action. Yeah, it's really nice. It's got a white PSU, white HDMI cable. What else we have? We got the manuals, stand, power cable. It's all here. Yeah, this is how it looks like. What kind of connector we have here? We have a HDMI display port, headphones out, and power supplies. Yeah, and this is how it looks. It's very nice. I like it. It's really nice. MSI. Brilliant. This is just unboxing, and here's how it looks like. Switch on. It's Full HD, 100 Hz, 10-bit of color RGB, and should have only SDR. It's not HDR, but it's 100 Hz. As you can see, it's working on 100 Hz. And how it looks some videos. Have a look. Yeah, and this is the picture of this monitor. I think it looks so impressive. From the box there is no dead pixel, which is good point. And yeah, as you can see, it's nature 4K resolution. It's really nice. I like it. I think it's excellent buy for you as budget working monitor for the office, maybe some for video cutting or stuff like that. Not absolutely perfect for the gaming, as it doesn't have a G-Sync or stuff like that, but yeah, the monitor is 100 Hz, Full HD, 24-inch nearly, because it's at 23.8, and yeah, looks amazing. Yeah. Okay, click like, subscribe, and hopefully you like this unboxing. If you're gonna more video like this, just let me know. But stay tuned for more video coming soon. This compared with my old monitors, you can see the color different on this both monitor. It's absolutely different picture. Yeah, as you can see. Look at that. Yeah, click like, subscribe.